Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today we will make instant jalebi. I know, it's mouth watering. Everybody loves jalebi. Usually we prepare the batter and rest for few hours. Then we make jalebi, right? But today we are not going to do that. We will make instant jalebi with few ingredients only. I am going to show you easy and quick recipe. Let's get started. To make the instant jalebi, I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup rice flour. Rice flour will make it crispy. 1/4 cup yogurt. Now mix it properly. Now we'll add some water gradually. Do not add too much water at a time. Beat it very well until the lumps go away. Here I have taken 1 cup of water. I don't think we need more water. Personally, I like very thin and crisp jalebi. As you can see the consistency, this is the right consistency we need. Now add pinch of orange food color. Mix it again. Do not add too much food color. Like dark orange color jalebi, then you can add more food color if you want to. Okay, now leave it for few minutes. Meanwhile, let's heat up the oil and make the sugar syrup. I am taking 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Keep the flame medium and let it boil until the sugar dissolves completely. Add pinch of saffron. Let it boil for 5 more minutes. It has been 5 minutes. Keep the flame low. We need the sugar syrup with a small thread consistency. So how do you know that? Very hot. Take the sugar syrup between your thumb and stretch like this. As you can see, a very small formation of thread. See? It means the sugar syrup is ready. Turn off the flame. Add half teaspoon lime juice because the sugar syrup should not be crystallized. At this point, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix it. And remove the pan from the oven. Here I have taken half cup of ghee and half cup of oil. You can also use oil only, it's your choice. Let's heat up the oil on medium heat. Here I am taking a sauce bottle. You can use muslin cloth or piping bag or sauce bottle, whatever you have. And I made a small hole here. I am taking a cup to pour the batter. It will be easy to pour the batter into the bottle. Now put the lid. Let's check the oil with few drops of batter. Oil should not be very hot. If oil is enough hot, then keep the flame on low and wait for few seconds. It was on medium. I am going to keep it on low to medium. Let's start to fry the jalebi. Start from the center and will end in the center. Do clockwise like this. Flip the other side. Repeat couple of times. Look at this. When you will fry the jalebi, they will change their shape automatically. That's why it's called jalebi. Let's clean the pan. Now take them out. Now soak it into the sugar syrup immediately. Soak it both sides evenly. Let them soak. Meanwhile, let's fry the second batch. Let me soak them into the sugar syrup. Then we'll fry the remaining jalebi. Take out the first batch from the sugar syrup. Then soak the second batches. Soak them for 3 to 4 minutes only. Do not soak them too long. Otherwise they will become soft. Our jalebis are ready. With 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup rice flour, I made 20 pieces of jalebis. Let me show you how crunchy it is. See? Looks yummy. Wow. Let's garnish it. I am garnish it with some sliced pistachio. You can garnish with some saffron or pistachio. I love garnishing. Hope you like this instant jalebi. Try to make at home. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.